Hello, I am Rahim Sediqi. Most people know me as SuperFan because I am the biggest fan of Afghanistan cricket team. I have some fans too, but there are mostly people who love cricket. They always send me messages and call, Rahim, go live, show the match. In January, when Afghanistan under 19 was playing Pakistan in Hungary, I went to watch the match at 4 AM in the morning because I couldn't sleep all night. In that match, I was kicked out because I was secretly going live and the security knew it. They came and took my phone and didn't allow me for 15 minutes. The first time I was kicked out was in 2015 in a pair when Afghanistan was playing Black Caps. In the ground, some people were drinking and suddenly all racist comments. Before that, they showed me on the big screen many times because I was very excited, running up and down. This when they told both of us to leave and they announced on the mic that anyone making racist comments will have to leave. I didn't make any racist comment there. I went there only for Afghanistan cricket team to support my team. I will do it again and again if I can. Anywhere, everywhere I will go. I was so excited when they qualified for the 2019 World Cup, but I was sad because I wasn't there. I celebrate the victory by myself in the garage with Afghan traditional music. I met Afghanistan cricket team in 2015 in Nepal when they was arrived for World Cup. I was thinking to make like some things new.
My name is Suleiman. Came from Afghanistan. I was so happy when I saw Rahim paint his body on Afghanistan national flag. I think Rahim is super fan because no one can wake up at 4 o'clock and leave his family and go watch the matches.
My blood is very hard for Afghanistan, so I love my country. I want to support them. They need support, and I'm supporting them.
Rahim left his job and he lost his job as well, and it's the right. I think that's the right thing to do because he represents his country. He left his country.
I didn't work like for 2 weeks, but after that it's all right because I told to them I'm supporting my team. I'm not doing like bad things.
He got some problem at home as well because he's new father. But the good thing is he got heaps of family here to support him and to go watch Afghanistan cricket matches. But I think he needs to take care about his family as well.
My family told me go ahead and support Afghanistan cricket team. Anytime I will support them if I can.
Every big match of Afghanistan, Rahim should go there and support the team. When the players saw Rahim in the ground with the flag on his body and on his hand, and they get energy, they play well. Rahim is not fake. He's showing true love to his country, and I told the people who criticize Rahim, if you can help him, that's good. If you don't say anything bad about Rahim.
I'm not doing this thing for attention. I'm doing these things for my country. That's why I'm super fan. It's not easy to do. I'm the biggest fan of Afghanistan cricket team because there's no another one like me.